Hello everybody and welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. I certainly am, because today I'm identifying a problem and I'm finding a solution. Welcome back. I'm standing today in my garage, and most of you have probably noticed that there's a car in front of me. And this is indeed the same Ford Mondeo Mk3 estate from my early videos, where I tried and failed to fix the boot lock on this very car. And I said in the end of part 2 that I will revisit it and make sure that I fix the problem. However, me and my wife have bought a new car. So I will not be putting my time and effort into fixing the lock on this car, because I will sell this. However, there is a problem I need to address before I sell it, and it's a problem to do with the engine. And I noticed, I mean, the engine has been running rough for a while. It misfires when you press the brakes. And other speeds, the idle is quite rough, and I noticed quite early on, to be honest, that the car is burning oil, or rather oil disappears, and burning of the oil is usually the culprit. Now, a few months ago, several months ago, when I was changing the tires on this car, I found a problem, or rather I found something that I did not want to find, and it's right here. So right there, that's oil. Not fun. So there's a leak somewhere. So yeah, you don't want to find that. So I thought, of course, that's a gasket leak somewhere. Now, I ran some thought experiments in my head, tried to identify what the problem could be, and after some research, I discovered that a common problem to why your car starts burning oil is that the PCV valve doesn't function correctly. Now, for some reason on Ford Mondeos, these engines, the Duratec HE engines, it's common in Fords and some Mazdas apparently, the PCV valve is made out of plastic for some reason. I mean, pretty much everyone knows that plastic melts at a certain temperature and the engine gets stupid hot, so it's prone to melt or break, and also the hose is prone to breaking, cracking, and eventually leaking. So I thought, okay, that might be the problem, because it's very common, and that will be the first thing I check. And I looked and I couldn't find it, so I again did some research, and for some reason again Ford has put the PCV valve and the PCV hose behind the intake manifold. So in order to access the PCV valve and to be able to replace it, you need to dismount the intake manifold. Now, the intake manifold goes here, and it's not here right now because I've removed it. I was initially going to film that, however, I was in a very bad mood, and there are 8 bolts holding the intake manifold in place, which are extremely hard to get to, and there are, like, I don't know, 400 connectors that you need to disconnect, and gas wire. So after several hours and lots of bruises and some cuts and hurt feelings, I managed to get it off, and I didn't film it because it wouldn't have been a good video, just a video of me swearing a lot. But yeah, so I got it off. It's right over there. But what I wanted to show you is right here. So come and have a look. Sorry, that was cheesy. I'll move you. I'll move you. Sorry. Okay, sorry about that. But right here, this is the PCV valve, and this is the hose. And if we go around, right, and look right there, there is a crack. And over here is oil. All of that is oil. So, and that goes to the wheel is right there. So that's what you saw earlier. So probably oil or gases have come up through here and just been squirting out, and that's why oil's been missing from this car. So I will replace that. I will replace the hose. I will put the intake manifold back, and hopefully that fixes the problem. Yeah, so there you are. The PCV valve, PCV hose on the Ford Mondeo Mk3. I will link in the description. There's a guy, a New Zealander called Craig's DIY Cars. Sorry, I will link to a video of his in the description where it's very detailed on how you get the intake manifold out, and that's what I used. Update on the bow making video. It is coming. I am making the bow. I'm making the video. It's over there curing right now. I mean, life happens and gets in the way, so it takes some time to get it work. But it's on its way. So for all of you who want to see the continuation of the bow making, it's on its way. But for today and for now, I thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button and the notification button and all that. Leave comments if you want to. Be nice. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.